Ready to take your car upgrades to the next level? Welcome to VinGarage, your ultimate car service and upgrade tracker right on your phone. With VinGarage, you can effortlessly manage all your car's modifications and maintenance with just a few taps. Start by adding your vehicle profile. Enter your car's make, model, and VIN. It's that easy. Logging an upgrade? No problem. Select Add Modification. Pick the type, let's say an engine upgrade, then fill in the details. Enter the date, part details, even upload a receipt photo for future reference, and hit save. Your upgrade is now documented. VinGarage also helps you stay on top of maintenance. Set reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, and more. Never miss a service again. Keep track of all upgrades and services in one organized list. It's your car's health report, always on hand. It's a digital version of the service manual in your glove box. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just getting started, VinGarage simplifies managing your car's journey, keeping your ride in peak condition. Download VinGarage today on Google Play and the App Store and revolutionize the way you track your car's upgrades and services. Drive smarter with VinGarage.